In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have a transparent background in Photoshop. So you can see we've got a photo of a woman here, and the background here is white, but this is not transparent. So I'm going to teach you how to make it transparent. What you want to do here, go to the object selection tool here and click on her. This is going to make an outline of her. Now there's a few things you could do here. You could click on this, you can right click, select inverse and delete, and that's going to make the background transparent. Another thing you can do is you don't even have to select it. You can just click on this layer and click remove background. And then what this is going to do, it's going to remove the background. Now, I find that this feature works better. It seems to do hair a little bit better. It seems to just look much nicer. Now, if you want to create a new layer and drop it down below, you've got a transparent background, which you can then, if I put this, you can draw onto it like this. So it's completely transparent and ready to work with. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.